In front of me is Motorola Moto G13, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this Motorola. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access security section. Now scroll down again, tap on Face and Fingerprint Unlock and enter your current login method. Over here, you need to choose Face Unlock, read the disclaimer and tap on I agree at the bottom right corner. Then select Start at the bottom right one as well. Keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions presented on your screen. Now click on Done at the bottom right corner one more time, and when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. If you want to delete your face data, you need to access the same face and fingerprint unlock settings. Now enter your screen lock, tap on Face Unlock and tap on Delete Face Model. Lastly, confirm your choice by choosing Delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!